For today's video, we're going to be camping and fly fishing in the White Mountains of New Hampshire for native brook trout. For the next few days, I'll be in Franconia Notch, staying at Lafayette Place Campground. First things first, at the site, had to get the tent set up. I used a tarp and a pop-up because it looked like a lot of rain was coming the next day. And once that was done, I was ready to go fishing. Alright, so let me preface this by saying I'm not good at fly fishing. I've done it a few times, and yeah, I'm not skilled at this at all. So let's see what happens. No dice really, casting over there, I don't know. Probably not ideal to learn casting when pretty good wind blowing straight into your face and not a ton of room. So this little brook here is pretty interesting. Let's see if I can maybe get something just flipping this fly around. I can see there's, I think, little brook trout right here, so see if I can just slingshot the fly around these little corners and in these deep spots, see if I can catch something. No way. Nice. First ever fish on the fly. Just a beautiful little native brook trout. Just a beautiful fish. Alright. I'll let this one go. Oh. Came out of the net. Perfect. That's a good size one right there. By good size, I mean tiny as hell, but another pretty one. It was a good first day of camping, but as expected, the next morning the rain came.
I can hear it coming now. Coming now.
About my deck boots?
Yeah,
But they're dry.
Yes.
And it's wet outside. Yeah. Look at these. They're already saturated and soaked. And I'm dry and warm.
You make me dry, dude. I don't get wet at all from you.
Yeah,
Well, I don't even want to put out on that one.
What do you think, Spencer?
It be raining. She pissing.
We ended up getting a ton of rain, so we just hunkered down for the night, and luckily it was beautiful weather the next day. Alright, we are doing a little bit more fly fishing today on the Pemi. Trying to find some native brookies. Kind of looking for like overhang with little deep pools. I'm just gonna throw a fly into those deep pools and see if I can find something. I totally just saw a fish move right here. These fish do a good job of kind of hiding themselves up against structure like this. It's not gonna make it easy to catch. Oh yeah. I just watched it dart under there. Oh my god, no way. Just a beautiful little brook trout. Oh, he hit it. Oh my god, another bite, but it didn't stick it. Yes. That's actually a decent sized one. There's more under there. Oh, that was a good sized one. Oh yeah. It's probably the biggest one I've caught so far. Just a beautiful brook trout. Another beautiful brookie. Man, just look at the colors on this thing. Overall, this was a great first experience fly fishing in the White Mountains, and I'll definitely be doing it again. Thanks for watching.